Hi guys, welcome once again to another day of Tech with Things. Now today I will be changing the battery inside of this Audi A7 Fab. Now a friend left the Fab with me and asked me to do it, so I'm wondering if people really don't know how to change the Fab. Firstly, you need to know what type of battery that is in the Fab, and it's a 2032 inside of this. And here you have me removing the battery first of all. Now what you need to know is that you need to press that button there, squeeze it, and you pull it upwards, and then the manual key comes out. Then there's another button here, you squeeze and you pull it, just give it a little force. There we go, and there it is. And you realize the position of the battery, well, it's there. You don't want to put it in the wrong position. So you see 2032 is written on it, and I've already have it in the position. I'm going to take out the battery here, and I'm going to replace it. I think I'm going to need a scissors, so I'm going to get that to open it. But you know, you can use either scissors or a knife, something that is sharp. And there we go. And it's out. And you always remember to replace it the same way how it comes out from the Fab. Put it in, insert it the way how you got it to come out, and replace the key. There we go. And that's how it's done. Very simple. So this is Duo Quick once more from Tech with Things with this short tutorial, and saying peace out.